Welcome to the aeroderivative Level 2 facility here in Perth, Western Australia. The facility was established in November 2020 and we're here to enhance the capabilities of planned and unplanned outages for the LMS100, LM2500 and LM6000 turbines within Australia and New Zealand. Let me show you where we're going.
Hey Jules.
Hey. Let me introduce you to Luke McGuinness. He's our tooling supervisor here at Perth Tool Centre. Luke, over to you.
Thank you very much. At the moment I'm just at the test bench as part of our maintenance for when the tools come back. And it's basically, so this is a boroscope and all it is just checking the articulation, making sure everything's okay, everything works where it should. You can see a little orange little diagram just there. So we'll pick that up, yep, and we know the articulation is working. Then across here we've got another electronic maintenance tool. It's called a turning tool. This checks the blade stages and things like that. So just here we do the test, make sure that it's running at a proper speed. There's some brand new tools for our hot section kit. They've just come back from come in from Livorno in Italy. So they'll get added to our kit. And these are all our consumables. Gloves, safety gears, everything they need to complete the maintenance for the consumable side of it. Over here is a bit of our spare parts. So the guys can, you know, if they need anything for, as you can see, boroscopes and controls and things like that, they can come over in here and get them and keep on with the maintenance schedule for the customer's equipment. Over here is our test bench for non-electronic tooling, and it's also our inspection bench. So when the maintenance schedule is done, the tools come back over here. So we make sure that they're 100%, everything's fine. This is a brand new protractor set. This is specifically for GE, built by GE, designed by GE, with the help of suppliers. And we check it off using the BOM, which is known as the bill of materials. We also, the engineers, for help and advice, they've got the instruction manuals there for the computer systems and how it all operates. Once this has all been checked by us, and then we green tag them and they end up over on the tooling shelf, which is this way. This is where all our tools are. So it's very easy for the engineers to come and get them. And then our bigger racks are for our hot section kits. The hot section kits we hold here are LMS100, LM2500 and LM6000. And they are the hot section kits, for the engine exchange kits. They're all situated along here. Again, they're ready on the shelf, ready to go. Everyone could, they're easily accessible. It's less time, less issues getting them in and out. It's all here for the engineers to do the maintenance schedule required, and we can do up to level 2 maintenance. And as you can see, we have an LM6000 here. Over here, obviously, some of our toolkits that the engineers use to get the job done. A couple of toolkits there. And then obviously our engineer earlier was going through a boroscope test just on this unit. And so yeah, basically boroscope in and on the screen. To get our units off the truck, we've got a 100-ton crane. And to top it all off, for the bonus of actually being here in the locality that we are, to do the maintenance schedule up to level 2 for LMS100s, the LM2500 and the LM6000s, is upstairs as a work in progress of critical spares. Literally critical spares that are needed on the spot, on the dot. If during the maintenance schedule something there's a hiccup, they find something and they need to repair something, there's no lead time for the customer, there's no lead time for the client. It's basically the engineers go up to the stairs, up onto the loft, they get the critical spares that they need immediately and go back and finish the maintenance schedule that's required. And obviously then the engine can go back to site, go back to the customer, go back to the client, easy, quickly and efficiently.